What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Independent Experience. I'm Indy XP, and we're coming to you again this morning, Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. We got a lot to get to today. We got market reports, we got an article we're going to review, and we've got three giveaways to draw. So let's go ahead and jump on into it, guys. Gold is currently up slightly, currently at $1723.74. Silver is down slightly at $15.29, giving us a ratio of 112.77. Platinum is up slightly at $772.93, and palladium is making some gains, currently at $2,010.69. In other metals markets, rhodium has held steady once again at $7,500. Copper is up a penny at $2.34, and aluminum is steady at 66 cents. Barrels of crude oil continue to decline, currently at $11.16. We're going to get back to that in just a moment. The Dow Jones, NASDAQ, and S&P 500, all three closed up yesterday. The Dow Jones closed up 358 points, closing out at 133.78. The NASDAQ closed up 95 points at 87.30.16, and the S&P 500 closed up 41 points at 28.78.48. If you guys follow the Bitcoin market, we held steady yesterday. Not much gains and losses. Pretty even keeled, actually. It's currently at 77.5704. And if you guys happen to trade in the Utah Gold back, those are going off at $2.99. The article that I wanted to review today is from Yin Lee at CNBC. This is an article or an interview with Jeffrey Gundlach, who is the CEO of DoubleLine, which is a investment firm. Jeffrey Gundlach, CEO of DoubleLine, said Monday that the stock market could sell off again to retest its low from in March, as it believes investors are too optimistic about the economic recovery from the coronavirus pandemic. I'm certainly in the camp that we are not out of the woods. I think a retest of the low is very plausible, Gundlach said in CNBC's halftime report. I think we'd take out the low. Quote, people don't understand the magnitude of the social unease, at least that's going to happen when 26 million plus people have lost their jobs, Gundlach said. We've lost every single job we've created since the bottom in 2009. The so-called Bond King revealed he just initiated a short position against the stock market. Quote, actually, I just put a short on the S&P at 28.63. At this level, I think the upside and downside are very poor. I don't think that it could make it to 3,000, but it could. I think the downside easily to the lows or beyond. I'm not nearly where I was in February when I was very, very short, Gundlach said. The S&P 500 rebound has bounced 30% off its March 23rd low of 2191.86 as investors cheered the Federal Reserve's unprecedented stimulus measures as well as signs that the pandemic could be easing. I think that's pretty much it. Just goes on to talk about DoubleLine in that article. So what does this mean? What would happen if we got back down to the low? Now, I think we might be in store for a perfect storm scenario, similar to what we saw in March and earlier this month. So what I think we're going to be looking at is once America starts to open back up again, there's going to be a long period of where unemployment is still incredibly high. Investors could potentially be definitely uneasy about wanting to get back into the market. Now, with that being said, America is starting to reopen as early as this weekend. States are reopening. Most states will probably reopen in the next couple weeks to a month. So to circle back around to oil prices. May futures were shit. They went off at the end of the day on the 20th. They ended up at $0.01 a barrel. June is shaping up to be possibly the same. We all remember what happened on April 20th when that happened. Silver prices tanked, $1.50, $2 that day, as people tried to get money to cover their losses on these May futures. So, what happens on May 20th when the June futures mature? People need to get out of silver again, and that could trigger, I feel, a big sell-off in the stock market as well. Panic selling of both stocks and precious metals. So I hope I'm wrong, but I think this could be a perfect storm scenario, really, guys. It sucks to think about, but I think we've all kind of learned that we have to start thinking about these things. So, let's hope I'm wrong. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't hold any background in finance, so let's just hope I'm just some dumb guy on the internet doesn't know what he's talking about. Let's talk about something a little bit happier, though. We got some stuff to give away. We've got 3 giveaways to draw for today. Ba-ba-da-ba. All right, so let's pull up the first one here. This first one is the sponsored GAW from Silver Damsel. Silver Damsel is a great channel, guys. If you haven't checked her channel out yet, make sure you slide on over, show her some love. We are giving away, or she's sponsoring the GAW, of 3 Canadian pennies. These are great condition pennies, guys. These are from 1956, 57, and 58 in spectacular condition. A Utah Goldback and channel sticker for her. A channel sticker for her. Let's go ahead and draw that. You had to comment Silver Damsel on that video. We had 39 people that did comment Silver Damsel on the video. So good job, guys. Good luck to everybody. Let's go ahead and start it up. And the winner is, for the first giveaway, Aaron Krause. All right. Longtime supporter of the channel. Aaron Krause, congratulations, sir. If you would, go ahead and email me, indyguy711@gmail.com, and let me know what you would like to have done with that prize pack. The next drawing that we have was from one of the Kraken Packs videos. Sorry, we did one on Thursday last week, and we're going to go ahead and do that day. You had to comment the name of the autograph card that came out. In this case was Young. We found an autograph card for rookie Young. We had 26 people that followed the directions on that one. This is going to be for a 1964 quarter. Let's hold it this way. Let's go ahead and give it a whirl. Good luck, everybody. Boop, 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 boop. And the winner is El Lakari. Okay, I'm not familiar with your channel, sir, but congratulations. You've won yourself a Constitutional quarter, 1964. If you could, go ahead and email me your address at indyguy711@gmail.com so we know where to send that prize pack out to. And the final one was another Kraken Packs video that we did that I posted Sunday morning. And you had to comment the name of the autographed rookie card that we pulled out of that video. In this case was Rookie May. So we had 29 people that followed the instructions on that one. So good luck, everyone. And the winner is Anthony Adventures. All right, congratulations, Anthony Adventures. You've won yourself a 1964 quarter. Go ahead and make sure you email me at indyguy711@gmail.com for that. I do want to go back to Aaron Krause's win. Sorry. Aaron Krause said, pick me randomly. Thanks, Silver Damsel. All right, Aaron. Appreciate that. Guys, I do greatly appreciate every single one of you, and if you happen to appreciate old Indy XP, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me right there. It really helps out with the algorithm. If you happen to be new to the independent experience, go ahead and consider smashing that subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner, bing bong, so you can be notified of when new content is coming out. If you want to check out yesterday's video, I'll post a card for it right here so you can start going through the back catalog. I've been Indy XP from the Independent Experience, and I'm here once again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.